Primetime News this evening. Prime Minister granted leave to seek judicial review in his battle with the Integrity Commission. Police charge American caught attempting to smuggle guns and ammunition into Jamaica. And Flows services hard hit by vandalism.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. A special welcome as well to our viewers online at onespotmedia.com. And to give us a preview of what's to come in the financial week, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kalisha, A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings has acquired an additional 30% stake in Caribbean producers Jamaica CPJ. I'll tell you what this means a little later on in the financial week.
And to tell us which schools are acquiring what in schoolboy football, Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of sports.
Thank you very much, Gio. Well, Mona has already won the Walker Cup and we'll give you details on that and the Manning Cup final, which is now in progress. But the richest horse racing event in the Caribbean, it's all systems go. We'll have the preview for the Mute Mile in Primetime Sports later.
And we don't have to ask which school Giovanni is supporting. Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, we are expecting a drier pattern to begin emerging across most of the island at the start of next week, but we still have some isolated showers affecting northern parishes this weekend.
Tomorrow is the Da Costa Cup finals. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what do you make of the ongoing vandalism and theft of Flow and Digicel cables?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.